Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance, and today I'm here to show you guys how to install the Hero smoked rear reflectors for your 6th Gen Camaro. Now these rear reflectors are going to go in with no modification. You're going to simply unbolt the factory ones and bolt the new ones right back in place using supplied hardware. It is a tinted lens, it is DOT compliant, the installation hardware does come with it, and it is sold as a set with a 1-year warranty. And a couple simple tools are needed for the installation: a Phillips screwdriver and a magnet to help us get the hardware back into the factory location. Now we'll go ahead and jump in on the install, guys. So we're going to go ahead and crawl up under the car and see if we can get this done pretty quick. All right guys, now here we are on the bottom half of the car, and where we're going to want to be going for is this little indentation right here, just above the inner tip on the factory diffuser. Now this right above there, you will see a little screw right there. That is what we're going to have to remove the factory rear reflector. Now that we have the factory rear reflector out, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and stick the supplied hardware on our screwdriver, and what we're going to do is go ahead and insert the hardware into the hole, and then we'll install the rear reflector from Hero. Now that we've bolted down the rear reflector, we'll go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. All right guys, now that completes the installation of those Hero smoked rear reflectors. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below and we'll answer them as soon as possible. If you guys have any questions about this product, don't hesitate to shoot us an email or give us a call. Our guys are always standing by, ready to answer any kind of questions you guys might have about this product.